Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, power sunroof, interval wipers, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, navigation system, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.